So why is the status quo, in terms of quality, not good enough today? And I think the answer is that there's an overcapacity in any industry we look at, an overcapacity of competitors. So for organizations today, they've got to be able to stand out. And I think quality today especially has become the true differentiator for most organizations. And the reason why is because if I can make my quality better than the next competitor, I'm going to stand out that way. But secondarily, as we improve quality, we're also simultaneously reducing our costs, which means I can do different things from a business standpoint and I can make different investments maybe than our competitors can who don't have that high quality in terms of their products. So how do organizations get beyond the status quo, where there's a certain expectation of defect levels being whatever they are? Sometimes it boils down to leadership. I was working with an organization a few months back where the senior leader in terms of quality came out to all the quality managers in this plant, or excuse me, in the entire enterprise. There are 80 plus people there, and this person said, we're going to cut our defect levels in half this year. And that leader challenged the quality managers at each one of these plants to do that, to cut defect levels at least in half. And what it did is it made them think differently. And it was fun to be able to be a part of that because I shared with them ways of thinking differently through the use of statistical process control, through the use of these data analytics and these tools that allow people to comparatively analyze the performance of their production lines, their product codes, their shifts, so they can extract information from that information, which will allow them to cut their defect levels in half or better. So I really think it boils down to this, is that there's what I like to call endemic overcapacity of competitors, which means you've got to be better than the next organization, and it really boils down to quality being that differentiator for organizations today.